Confidence self-introduction. Confident self-introduction. How to introduce yourself confidently. People decide how confident and intelligent you are within the first 10 seconds of hearing you speak. Not because of your clothes, not because of your degree, not because of your experience, not because of your connection, and not because of your look, but because of how you introduce yourself right from the very start. How you use your words matters. In this video, I'll talk you through exactly how to introduce yourself in clear, simple, and confident English. Whether it's for an interview, class meetings, networking, seminars, or in the church. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to 1. Introduce yourself calmly in any situation and occasion. Introduce yourself confidently in 20 to 30 seconds. And how to sound clear and professional and avoid common mistakes most people make. Our roadmap. We'll do this in 3 steps. First, I'll show you a bad example, and I'll also show you a good example. I'm breaking into a simple formula which we practice together. Now let's get started. Weak introduction. Hello, my name is Sanford. I am from Virginia. I study accounting. I like reading. Thank you. This is the usual way that we hear commonly every day of our lives. The problems here are 1. No structure. 2. No command. 3. No confidence, and it has no clear message. Now let's take a quick look at a strong introduction. Listen and repeat after me. Hello, my name is Sanford. I am an accounting graduate with strong skills in financial reporting, taxation, and audit. I'm currently looking for an opportunity to apply my knowledge and grow professionally. Repeat that 3 times. Why this works? It works because it's clear, it's structured, and also purposeful. Now let me give you the 3-part formula. 1, if you remember nothing else, remember this. Who you are, your name plus your background. Example, my name is Sarah. I'm a recent graduate in business analysis. What you do, your current role, study, or skill. Example, I specialize in customer service analytics and data communication. 3, your goal. What you are looking for. Example, I am looking for an opportunity where I can grow and contribute my skills. Putting all these together, my name is Sarah. I'm a business analytics graduate with strong communication skills, and I am looking for an opportunity to grow in a professional environment. Captures all. It captures all. Now it's your turn to practice. I want you to repeat after me that powerful introduction. Practice 1. My name is Put your name there. I am, fill your field or skill there. I have experience in, mention one experience that you have. I'm looking for an opportunity to grow and contribute to which organization. Practice 2. This is for students. My name is, I am a student of, I'm passionate about your interest. I'm working toward building my skills in this area. Now I can say, speak out loud, not in your head. Speak out loud, not in your head. Real life application. Where can you use this example? It can be used in 1, job interviews, 2, internship applications, 3, networking events, 4, meetings as well as in seminars, and in your first day in class. This one skill can change how people see you immediately and forever. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these mistakes like plague. 1, talking too long. 2, giving irrelevant details. 3, speaking too fast. And 4, showing lack of confidence. Note, keep it short, clear, and structured. In summary, remember the formula: who you are, what you do, and your goal. And that's all you need. Yes, that's all you need. Now, your task, your very own task, your task. Write 3-line introduction in the comments, or say it loud and record yourself. Do that every day. If this helps you, subscribe for more practical English lessons. Next video, how to speak clearly so people understand you instantly. See you in the next lesson.